YouTube fam, LaTrenda Jaye here. So listen, I went to the Asian market today and I saw that they had live blue crab on sale. I'm not sure why I decided to go down this road today, but I've never cooked live crab before. So bear with me, this will be a first and probably my last because I got pinched so hard by one of these suckers and yeah, I screamed. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If anyone has any tips on cooking live crab, I'm open to hear it out.